Praise the Lord, everybody. It is Courtney at Courtney_HI back with another video for you all today. Today is going to be a kind of unboxing, first impressions haul with my new faves of all time, African Pride Moisture Miracle Collection. Thankfully, I am in this program called Impressions of Beauty, and Impressions of Beauty connects different college and collegiate age women with wonderful beauty brands. And I was picked for one of the African Pride campaigns, which I am truly blessed and appreciative to be a part of. So thank you, Impressions of Beauty. Thank you, African Pride, for selecting me to do this program because is lit. Like, it's so lit, and I'm able to do and create the type of content that you all have been asking for and that I enjoy doing. So I am truly excited. So we're gonna get right into it. The first two products that I have are the Moisture Miracle Honey and Coconut Nourish and Shine Shampoo. It says that this shampoo hydrates and elongates natural curls and coils. It's sulfate free, color safe, and it has some pretty great ingredients in it. It has coconut oil, which it says deeply conditions, hydrates, and helps repair hair, and honey, which naturally retains moisture and adds shine. Honey being a natural humectant, this is 100% factual. You know that it's going to help absorb all the great moisture into your tresses and help your hair look as healthy, shiny, and great as possible. I use this shampoo along with the conditioner, and one thing I can say about this shampoo is that it penetrates your scalp. It gives you that clean feeling that you like to feel without stripping your hair. So I truly do love this shampoo, and it is actually going to be one of my staples in my products that I use on the weekly because it is just great. It doesn't leave you feeling stripped. It's just a nice clean feeling. Secondly is the honey chocolate and coconut oil nourish and restore conditioner. I don't know about you, but I was a little freaked out when I saw it was a brown consistency and brown color. I was just like, it's brown, but it is workable. It's not my favorite. It has coconut oil, honey, and cocoa powder, which is chocolate. However, it just did not give me that slip that I was looking for. It gave me moisture. It helped my hands run through my hair really easily, but it was just, I feel like it needed silicone. I don't know if it has silicone. Is it silicone free? I'll insert if it's silicone free or not. But I just feel as though like my hair loves silicone, so I didn't really feel as though it had it in it. It just kind of conditioned and kept it pushing. It wasn't anything dramatically done to my hair, but I did like it. Like, it was nothing wrong with it. It's just for my hair, I know that I like to be able to detangle very easily. Next, I'm gonna save that for last because that's my absolute favorite, is the Shea Butter and Flaxseed Oil Moisturize and Define Curling Cream. I used the curling cream in my previous braid out video and also in the video right now, so you can see that my hair is fluffy, it is defined, it looks extremely healthy. But inside of this product is shea butter and flaxseed oil. It has a wonderful smell. Like, this is hair perfume at its best. It is just,
Hey, baby, Shanama. Glory to God.
manna from heaven, honey, manna from heaven. It smells great. It has a light consistency, so you don't have to worry about your hair being weighed down. I like my hair to move, so if you are looking for a lightweight product that's going to give you great results, I truly do like the curling cream. Next is the leave-in cream and the leave-in spray. Why I'm doing these two together is although they are both leave-ins, they are totally different and they both work for your hair in different ways. Inside of the leave-in conditioner cream, it has coconut and baobab oil. Baobab is one of my favorites, so I was really excited to see that that was incorporated into this product. And it too is very light. It's great for when you're coming straight out the shower. So after I get done washing and conditioning my hair with the shampoo and conditioner that are in this line, I like to take like a little scoop of the product and put it straight into my hair. And it has great detangling properties. It does not leave me with like excess buildup or flaking throughout the day. It just my hair just absorbs what it needs from it. So I do like this product a lot. And then we have the leave-in conditioner spray. You shake to mix it up. It has like this little kind of like a, how do I describe this? It kind of, I would say it looked like bath water, but that doesn't sound good. It kind of looks like it's not an opaque white. That's what we're gonna go with because I don't know what to describe it as, but I'm a little hesitant when it comes to leave-in sprays because one, I have a lot of hair, and I know it absorbs a lot, and I'm afraid that if I'm just gonna be spraying all day. I'm just like. However, with this leave-in conditioner, I can part my hair in 4 sections, give around 6 to 8 squirts per section, brush it through. My hair still is easy to detangle. It has great moisturization, so I don't have to worry about having to follow up with another heavier cream. So if I'm doing a wash and go really quickly, I spray this on it, grab a gel, and I'm ready to go. So I really do like this, and I also do like it for protective styling. So if I have braids in or if I have like a wig, I will spray this directly in between the parts or through my hair, and it helps just better penetrate without leaving a coating or buildup on my hair. So this is one of my favorite products out of the whole line. My other favorites are coming up, so stay tuned. The other product that the Moisture Miracle line has is a 5 essential oil blend. I love me some oil. I'm actually going to put some on right now. But this right here is lightweight. It's moisturizing. It has castor, grapeseed, argan, coconut, and olive oil. So you're able to get a wide range of oils that are good for your hair for all seasons. Being that it is getting cooler, peep the turtleneck. I love to seal my hair in with heavier oils such as castor, baobab, and olive. And being that this has castor oil as one of its main ingredients shows me that I'm going to be able to seal my hair and not worry about the moisture evaporating from it because this is going to keep it all in. As I talked about the regular conditioner that was the rinse out, how it didn't have that much slip. The slip comes in with this heat activated mask. Being that I did go to the Try Vibes on the Run trip with African Pride, I did get a blow dryer attachment. So what you do is you apply the product, which is extremely thick, to your hair. And first you're thinking, okay, what's it gonna do? What's going on? However, once you put your cap on, you sit underneath a dryer or apply heat, it melts out every kink, every coil. You'll be able to just run your fingers through, and it has a great smell. I use it on my clients also. I use this on my clients before blowouts, before if they're getting any color treatment, or after they're getting any color treatment, excuse me. And it truly does help their hair feel a lot softer, feel a lot stronger, and also prepares your hair for what you may be doing styling wise. I blow out my hair quite often, not necessarily bone straight, but I do use heat on my hair around every week. So being able to use heat and have a product that is going to help detangle and protect my hair before I am using the blow dryer or before I am sitting underneath the dryer to stretch my hair out really means a lot to me. So this is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So drum roll for the last product, for my favorite product. This detangle and condition pre-shampoo. They put crack in it. I don't have to read you the ingredients. They put crack in it. Have to. Because this stuff right here delivers like none other. Like, I have never been a pre-poo girl. Like, I've never seen the point of me drenching my hair in oil or conditioner to hop in the shower, but I could just wet it and put conditioner in the shower. I'm a minimalist, so yeah. But I said, let me give this a try. I had a dry wash and go. Like, that wash and go was on its way out. And I said, I want to try this product out. Although I'm not a huge pre-poo girl, let me try it out. So I open it up. It says it has aloe and coconut oil. So I was like, okay. And it looks like a curl jelly. So I was like, this is a little interesting. This ain't like the hot oil stuff I see all y'all famous YouTubers using. So I applied it to dry hair, and the first thing I know is I put it at the roots. Like, I just section it, put it at the roots, and my fingers just ran straight through. So I said, I don't know what the Lord has done in this product, but I don't need him to continue to do it for the rest of my life. My hair was so easy to detangle. I did not have to brush it through. I had minimal shed, and when I was in the shower and was washing my hair with this shampoo, it was minimal shed. Usually I have to deal with like the little curls pressed up against my the back of my shower. It was minimal shed. My hair just felt great, it smelled great, and it was ready for the next step. So this by far is my favorite. This along with this spray leave-in. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I do rate this line 9.2. It's affordable. Like I said in my previous video, the average price of each product is around $5. So if you are a college student like myself, you want to get high quality products for a low price because you gotta eat too. So being that I'm able to probably get the whole collection for underneath $50 is really meaningful to me, and it shows that African Pride made a conscious effort of having affordable products that will be able to reach a wide genre and range of people. So that really makes me happy. Why I give it a 9.2 rather than a 10, I needed a gel. I needed a gel, an edge control, or something from this line. That was the only thing missing. If I would have had like a gel, like they could have did a Moisture Miracle hydrating jelly, and they would have put me on the packaging because I would have been a poster child for that. I would have been promoting it from hell and high water. But I really was missing a gel or edge control, just something to keep these babies together. And I really was not extremely let down, but I was expecting more from a Moisture Miracle line rinse out conditioner. So I appreciate you all watching my video. Be prepared for a giveaway. I have so many African Pride products. I went and bought the first round myself. Then when I went on the run with them, I got another package of the complete set, and then I got this lovely PR pack. So be looking for a giveaway to come soon on my Instagram. Please like, share, and subscribe, and please tell me what you're looking for. With my channel, I'm new to YouTube. I really do want to make creative content that you all would like to see. So tell me what you want to see next. I really do appreciate you guys, and have a blessed, spectacular, Holy Ghost filled day.